Hey you! Time to learn about writing. Well, this is how you can write an email. So please pay attention to the next part. First of all, look at the first line. Dear Miss Todd. Dear Miss Todd. This is correct. So don't address the reader by his or her first name. So you can say, Dear Miss Julia. No, please don't do that. Always by the last name. So remember, don't address the reader by his or her first name. And now we have the second part. Could you see? I would like to apply for the position of listed on the employment opportunity page of your website. So here you need to say which position you're interested in and how you learn about the opening. Don't forget it, it's important. And obviously, let's go to the next part. But remember, say which position you're interested in and how you learn about the opening. Come on, let's see the next part. Describe your education. This is so important. And in order to describe your education, of course, it's necessary to add your resume. So don't forget to do it. Here you can mention the university or your career or all the experience you already have. And the what's next? Well, come on, let's see it. Restate your interest. Could you see in the next paragraph, this person is saying why he is so interested in that position. So, and why, of course, this person is the perfect candidate for that position. So you can do the same in your own emails. So let's go to the next part. Could you see schedule an interview? This is important. You can do this first move, schedule an interview with the person who can be your actual boss. So come on, it's important. And of course, include your contact information. Could you see it? Call me at 89897888. So include your contact information. And of course, tell the reader. Look at the last sentence here. Thank you for your time in considering my application. So thanks always the reader. Well, and finally, closing. Closing is so important. You can use phrases like sincerely as the reader or the writer, or maybe kind regards, best wishes. These are kind of good phrases for closing. And look at the last part in this email, Pedro Chavez. So don't end with your first name only. Never end with your first name only. So you can say, sincerely, Pedro. No, please use your full name. This is the right case. And well, could you see, don't use informal style when you are writing these formal emails, and don't use lots of contractions. In this case, we aren't using any contractions here, so please don't do it. And well, this is how you can write an email for a job application. So it's your turn. Come on, let's practice this.